Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Puma Ignite NXT golf shoes. If someone wants a responsive and cushioned experience in one golf shoe, then he or she must purchase this Puma Ignite shoe. Built from the ground up with ProForm TPU outsole with an organically altered traction pattern. A full-length Ignite foam midsole, wrapped in sole shield for added durability, provides unparalleled comfort and energy return to help you feel and play your best all day long. The upper features a flat knit waterproof mesh vamp with pore frame reinforcement, and decoupled per cage pieces provide a secure fit. Sporty yet refined, this anatomical last shape provides excellent fit and ample forefoot volume for unrivaled comfort and stylish toe-down look. Inspired by a running last, the perfect amount of toe spring for on-off-course versatility. Revolutionary and proprietary new PU foam provides energy return, responsive comfort, stable cushioning, and superior step-in comfort. It will blow your mind. Ultra-thin TPU frame encases the EVA midsole for lightweight strength and durability, increased flexibility and superior traction. Let's watch more. Our second best golf shoes for walking is Adidas men's golf shoes. If you prefers a spiked sole but wants the comfort of a spikeless shoe when walking the course, then you should choose this shoe. Very lightweight, the Tech Response 4.0 golf shoe responded well to the rigors of walking 18 holes with little friction to our feet. The breathable mesh upper helps keep your feet comfortable under pressure. Grip greens and fairways with confidence. Durable non-marking Adiwear outsole with X-Traction primary lugs for grip and balance, and green-friendly ThinTech EXP cleats. With an enhanced mesh upper layer, the shoe keeps your feet dry even though it is missing waterproof protection. Third in our list is FootJoy men's golf shoes. With a classic saddle shoe style and fully synthetic construction, the FJ Originals are sleek and stylish, with great traction and comfort that improves the more you wear them. Inspired by our vast network of tour players, the all-new Tour X delivers a total max feel, featuring power strap and launch pod technologies for tour-validated stability, comfort, and control. Tour X is the latest innovation-powered stability shoe from FJ. Experience incredible traction and performance on course with the off-course versatility of a sneaker. Lightweight performance mesh delivers incredible comfort, breathability, and all-day comfort. A soft EVA midsole provides increased underfoot cushioning, enhanced comfort, and exceptional stability. The Versatrax outsole is engineered with traction elements to create an outsole that is perfect for on-course performance with wear-to-the-course versatility. Each traction zone maximizes traction during your swing. Number 4 in our best golf shoes for walking list is FootJoy men's FJ Originals golf shoes. If you want a quality golf shoe and like the classic look, these are them. The FootJoy men's FJ is one of the best golf shoes for walking because of the high-quality construction you expect from the company creating an affordable shoe. Experience incredible traction and performance on course with the off-course versatility of a sneaker. Really a comfortable shoe. No breaking and ready to go right out of the box. Fit is true to size, width and toe box are perfect. Our last pick is New Balance Breeze Golf Shoe. The New Balance Breeze golf shoe offers dependability in a golf shoe that uses its popular entry-level running shoe as its frame. This revolutionary foam sole is incredibly soft and doesn't sacrifice durability or stability for comfort. If you want a shoe to walk the course and still feel fresh, the Breeze undoubtedly meets that demand with a workman. An innovative foam compound providing the same responsiveness and durability of New Balance foam's 30% heavier. Our Eve Light offers a lightweight ride without minimizing construction or sacrificing underfoot cushioning or stability. A revolutionary foam compound, offering ultra-soft and responsive cushioning and comfort without sacrificing durability and stability.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!